Okay, guys and girls, so I have a little mystery here. I usually have a pretty good idea of what stuff is I run across, but this one is a little different. So it looks kind of like a chisel, but yet it has a ball on it. And I don't know if that'll focus, but if you look, so there's grease built up and it's in a circular pattern around something. So again, it looks like a chisel, but yet I can see an application on an old piece of equipment, maybe an old engine or something, where this ball is encapsulated in a matching socket so that this can articulate, and this is ground just to the right profile to be like a ratchet and pawl system. I genuinely don't know what this is, so if you guys have an idea, I'd be interested to know.